If you want to establish a new thought pattern in your thinking, just write that specific goal or ambition or outcome or maybe a self-image, whatever it is, write that over and over and over and over again. No end to it. Just keep writing it over and over again, and you'll start to see that you start to actually think the exact same thoughts as you have been writing. Writing literally etches whatever you're saying into your nervous system, into your subconscious mind. And there's scientific evidence now showing that writing actually causes you to do the things that you want to do. So for example, in the book Power of Habit, Charles Duhigg talks about the research study. They were helping patients from a knee replacement surgery to get better over time, right? So they split the patients into two groups. First group, they gave them a journal and they told them to write exactly what will they do, when will they do, where will they do it when it comes to their rehab, when it comes to rehabbing their knee. While the other group was just given a journal to write whatever they wanted. What happened was that what they saw was the group that was writing exactly what they would do, when they would do, where they would do it, exactly how they would go through their rehab process, they healed twice as fast compared to the normal control group. Writing something down led to changes in behavior. How powerful is that? And if you're changing your behavior, your mind has been hacked by you.